This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Start by requesting an EESIM through the My EE app or your online account. Select the ESIM delivery option and confirm your identity with the required details. You will receive an activation QR code and the ICSID number in the app or by email. Keep your device PIN ready for installation prompts and ensure your phone supports ESIM technology and 5G if you need enhanced speeds. If switching from a physical SIM, back up contacts before you proceed to the next step. Open Settings on your phone and go to Mobile or Cellular Plans to add a new plan. Choose to add a cellular plan and scan the EE activation QR code provided in the app or email. Enter your device PIN when prompted and follow the on-screen installation steps to download the ESIM profile. If your phone lists multiple plans, choose the EE profile for data and set it as your default mobile plan for calls and messages. Restart the phone if activation does not complete automatically. After installation, confirm the ESIM activation by checking signal bars and mobile data connectivity. Open the My EE app or your online account to view the active ESIM profile and confirm the ICSID matches the provided activation details. If activation fails, restart the phone and retry scanning the QR code or re-entering the activation details carefully. Contact EE support if issues persist and have your ICSID and activation reference ready to speed up.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.